Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on BTC. Bitcoin is only consolidating. That was the expectation for today, and Bitcoin continues to do that, just rather sideways consolidation. If you're interested in the daily chart, check out my last videos. I covered the daily chart in both of them. And also we will do that tomorrow in the next one. But today I just want to take a look at the micro patterns. Has anything shifted? I still see that as a potential WXY structure here that might be forming. I mean, overall, this is consolidation, high-level consolidation, just below the next resistance level, which is the 88.7 retracement. In addition to that, we're holding below a trend line in this sideways pattern. I mean, it's a holding pattern, essentially. I can definitely see the potential of a direct breakout, but without a break of at least the 104,050 level, the last swing high that formed on Saturday. There's no evidence the price wants to do so, because I can easily label that as a WXY structure, and the Y wave is an ABC, unchanged from the previous video, and the C wave, don't forget, would be a 5-wave move. Now, we're really in the weeds now, but I can label that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just saying, does this need to happen? No, but it is something you should be aware of. I think if we come down deeper into support, which would not be bearish, I mean, it just is another test of support. But if we do that, then it would likely happen like that. And I would see this here as wave 1 of C. Because what we can do is take the length of the A wave to the downside with our Fibonacci extension tool. Then we go to the high of the B wave. And normally we're looking for the area here between the 100% extension and the 161.8 extension. So ideally, if that happens, that we're coming down, then we should reach that blue zone, which is kind of also the upper section of the orange standard support zone. So I'm looking for the area between 100,900 to 102,130 as main support. But obviously condition is that the market holds below the 104,040 level. But I mean, this is just really how I see potentially the nano patterns unfold. The overall idea is that there's a good chance for one more high, maybe even a direct breakout. But as long as we stay below the B wave high that formed on Saturday, I think the pressure would be downward. This would be further confirmed with a break below this swing low that formed there at around 103,000. And the next move down could be a third wave. So let's see if that actually happens. If it instead continues to push, then we might go higher in the fifth wave more directly, which is fine as well. I mean, overall, one more high is the expectation, right? Before then a larger top forms potentially in this A wave, then we should see a B wave correction afterwards. That could be a correction that takes several weeks, maybe even a month. Now, that being said, what I'm tracking here is an ABC structure to the downside in a Y wave. There is even still a potential that this could, I mean, I'm tracking this already like visually, right? A triangle. There's even a potential that is forming an Elliott Wave triangle, but really I don't have much evidence. It looked on Saturday morning a little bit like that. But yeah, it's not really looking like an Elliott Wave triangle anymore, even though I think I could make it work here. Yeah, then, again, there are probably like 5 wave counts I could show you here. It's not so helpful. The nano patterns, I try to help you understand the risk here and how a move down could look like if it actually happens, so that you know that at the end of the C wave, we can watch for a reversal to the upside. And then the other key level here is the B wave high, so pay attention to that. So yeah, overall, I think as long as we are holding, though, the 99,900 level, the overall idea is that we could still see one more high. I don't mind a few more days sideways consolidation. Seems to be good for the altcoins. So yeah, hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure you check out our membership. If you're interested, you can check out the membership video here on our channel page. In addition to that, you get member-only videos. For example, we covered Casper today. And also you get access to our member live stream that is running every Sunday at 5 p.m. UTC for discussions, questions, chart requests, and much more. As a gold member, you also get access to our Discord server for a lot of additional content. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.